Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about some very good stocks for swing trading that we can take tomorrow. And if you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want regular updates on investment and stock market, please check out our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. And let's start with the analysis of Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go for 15 minutes time frame. And today the markets gave very good rally. And let's see what the Bank Nifty did today. It opened a little gap up and broke this pattern, and it gave a very good clear momentum upside, and it even closed above this resistance. So let's see what the Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. So if we go for daily time frame, so it has given a very good momentum. We can see it from the candle. So I'm expecting a spin candle tomorrow, that is a sideways market, but it depends upon how the Bank Nifty will react to this resistance. So let's discuss about this in 15 minutes time frame. So if the Bank Nifty opens flat and give a very good closing above this resistance after momentum, after moving up, so we can expect the Bank Nifty to reach till 36,800 because it has a resistance over there. And if the Bank Nifty opens gap down, it can even come to and crosses this low, it can even come to first will be 36,150 and the next target will be 36,000. And that's for the analysis of Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go for the stocks. So the first stock will be HDFC Bank. Let's go for daily time frame. So we have a resistance over here. So it's but what the HDFC Bank has today is it has consolidated very good at its resistance, and it has given a breakout. So what you guys can do is you guys can go along on the stock having sell below this green candle, which is 1550, and the minimum target for the stock will be 1600. So the next stock will be IOC. So after reacting from its support, so what the IOC is trying to do is trying for a reversal by making a W pattern, and it has made a very good pattern. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 105.20. The minimum target for the stock will be 115. So the next stock will be Indus India Bank Limited. So this bank is in range, and by reacting from its support, it's trying for a reversal by making a double pattern. So you guys can go along on this stock having a sell of 986. The minimum target for the stock will be, for safe traders, you can go for a target of 1025, and for swing traders or short-term investors, you guys can hold the stocks till it reaches 1050. So the next stock will be State Bank of India. So without State Bank of India, the Bank Nifty cannot go higher, or it cannot make a all-time high, and it is also at its support. So it is a very good opportunity to go along in SBI. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 406, and I recommend you guys to go a short investment on State Bank of India. So the minimum target for the stock will be 440. Later the stock even reach up to 460. And that's all for today, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.